Good afternoon, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princeton Trader, with the closing wrap-up for Tuesday. Okay, so a few minutes after 4, and, we were kind of everywhere and nowhere at all. They ran it up really nicely. When we last chatted, we were heading down towards here. They dealt with the 9-day. We talked this morning about how the Bears needed to get below one of these levels on a closing basis. They traded below it, didn't close below it. It was another dip buy, which is what you get when you were trading consistently above the daily mid-band of support. Here, dips get bought. Dip, bought. They take it up as high as, 23? Yeah, 23 quarter. Then they bring it back in a little bit, create a higher low, and they close it right where they closed it yesterday, right in that 4,400 area. So the whole day in general was just kind of a wash. Decent trading. Especially the long. We didn't try to catch the lows by any stretch of the imagination. We were in around 73, and we rolled it up, but we rolled it up too hard. Ended up getting out on the runner for 30. So it was it was fine. And then the afternoon, it's just these afternoons have been really choppy. So as we head into tonight, I'll be curious to see if it just wants to continue to stick around monthly pivot. There's not a whole lot of excitement to talk about here. The dip was bought. The Bears did not figure out the 9-day, the weekly pivot, or the daily midband. The Bulls did not figure out yesterday's highs, and they did not figure out 4,400 or the monthly pivot as far as closing above them and establishing them as support. So we are in the same little jam zone that we were in yesterday. And so we'll see if Globex tonight looks any different. But, that's, what really you have to remember. This tape is giving one or two decent opportunities a day. You need to be there, get what you need out of it. But until the parameters that we've talked about get met, we're going to continue to do the same thing. Until you see 4,400s established as support, and us living and breathing and closing consistently up above 4,400 and up above monthly pivot, we're going to chop. Or until you see the 9-day, the weekly pivot, the daily midband taken out on a closing basis, and then we consistently stay below there, you're going to get more of the same. We're going to be in this zone. Decent trading, not good as far as people that want multi-day or multi-week directional stuff, but it is what it is. All right, so just a quick few minutes. Everybody have a great night. Subscribers, we'll do an in-depth subscriber webcast tonight around 7 p.m. Eastern. I will be back tomorrow morning with a regular webcast. We'll see where we open up. Take care, trade them well, and I'll talk to everybody then. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.